Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a scorpion. A scorpion has a lot of rounded oblong shapes that make up its armored exoskeleton. So, remember that your shapes don't have to match exactly. Let's start off by drawing the head, which looks like a sort of flat, round, blocky shape. First, a line curving down and back that turns up to here and arches back to the start to close out the shape. Then, add a thin line coming down to the front like so. Next, let's draw its pincers. First, a long, thin, oblong shape coming out from under the head here. Then, two lines coming down like so, leaving the end open. And to start the pincer, a big C-shape angled down like so, with a long, slightly curved V-shape at the end. Lastly, another long, thin, and curved V-shape above it to finish off the pincer. We can mirror those steps on the other side for the other one. First, a long oblong shape coming out from the head, two lines coming out with an open end, a big C-shape with a slightly curved V-shape at the end, and one more long, slightly curved V-shape under to finish it off. That's already looking super scorpion-y. Let's give it some legs next by drawing a long, thin C-shape here, followed by a long oval angling down like so, and a thin V-shape for the pointed end. Then, repeat that 3 more times on this side for the other legs. Now we can start the body. From here, copy the shape of the back of the head a few times, going up towards the back like so. And at the back, the body starts to turn up into the tail with a rounder shape here, with another 2 lines bending out like that for the next part, and a few C-shapes after that, curving up and over, getting slightly smaller with each one. And at the end, a big teardrop shape for the stinger. Next, we'll draw the legs on the other side, but most of them will be hidden. Start with 2 lines going up from here, with a small oval shape on the end. Then, a few more thin oval shapes for the other 3 legs as well. Lastly, draw 2 oval dots on the bottom of the head for the eyes, and 2 small V shapes under those for the mouth pincers. And now you've got a scorpion. If you have any other requests or ideas for our channel, let us know in the comments below. And make sure to check out these videos for more.